Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam, teacher.
Okay, I'm going to present screen now. So, today we are going to discuss the answers for the questions given yesterday. So, tadi siapa punya ni? Alia kan? Okay, let's see number 1. Okay, number 1 kita tengok Alia punya. Maybe 1, 2, 3 lah. 3 questions. Okay, number 1, x plus 5. Okay, this is number 1, x plus 5 equals to 13. So, Alia guna kaedah apa ni? 5 minus 5 on the left and on the right side also.
Equality.
Yes, equality concept. Okay, boleh. Tak kisah guna cara apa pun. Asalkan faham ya. So, Alia guna equality concept. Betul lah tu. So, this is 5 minus 5. 13 minus 5. Okay, correct. Number 2. Also equality concept. She minus 3 on the left side and she minus 3 also on the right side. So she get x equals to negative 14 minus 3 equals to negative 17. Okay, number 3. Number 3, x minus 6 equals to 3. So here, in order to get rid of negative 6, she plus 6. So negative 6 plus 6 is 0. Tinggal x sahaja. So on the right side also, she plus 6. Okay, so negative 3 plus 6 is 3. X equals to 3. Okay. Well done. Okay, number 1, 2, 3 dah siap. Alright. Wow, colourful, cantik Akila. Very good. Okay, let's enlarge this. Number 4 and 5. X minus 4 is 21. So she is doing using backtracking method. So minus 4 on the left side, dia bawa ke kanan. Okay. So what should be the sign here? Betul tak ni?
Plus.
Dia kena bila bawa ke sini, negative 4 ni akan jadi plus. Okay, tanda kena tukar ya, jadi plus 4. So the answer is, ini salah lah. The answer is 25. Okay, number 5. Number 5, 5 minus x is 10. Dia buat asing ya. Dia asingkan 10 minus 5. Okay, betul. 10 minus 5. So, kalau kita nak buat equation, it becomes negative x equals to 10 minus 5. So, over on the left side, negative x is masih negative x. So, 10 minus 5 is 5. So, negative x equals to 5. What is your x? Kita nak buang negative sign tu, dia jadi apa sini? Negative, we multiply negative 1. So, negative x here, multiply negative 1. On the right side also, you multiply negative 1. So, it becomes negative 5. So, the answer is x equals to negative 5. Okay, Akila. Kalau cikgu laju sangat, bagi tahu ya. Semua dah mark ke dekat buku masing-masing? Dekat kertas masing-masing?
Dah.
Number 5. Okay, let's see number 6. Juga number 6. Okay, Akila asingkan macam ni. Okay. Boleh? So, x dia bawa ke sini. So, jadi positive x. Okay, great. Betul. And then, 1 dia bawa ke kiri. Jadi, sekarang asal is positive 1. Dia bawa ke kiri jadi minus 1. Okay, betul? Alright, so x equals to 5. Okay, 7. Nampak jelas tak kelas? Okay, so negative 1 she brings here. minus x, she brings here. So jadi positive x. Sini jadi plus. Negative 1 jadi plus 1. Okay, betul? Correct? X equals to 4. Okay, very good. Number 8. Number 8, 4 minus x equals to negative 10. Okay, sama juga. Dia bawa ke sini. And then x dia bawa ke sini. Jadi positive x jadi plus 10. Okay, betul. Easy ya. This part is easy. Number 8. And now is number 9. Ini siapa ni? Number 8 siapa? Auni. Okay, tak apa. Tengok sini. Ni salah ni. And then ini pun tak boleh jadi multiply. X multiply 14. Okay, never mind. We check number 9. Yeah. We check to 11. Okay. Sini minus 2x. She brings to the right. Jadi positive 2x. Okay, betul? And then sini jadi x 11 minus 5. Okay. Siapa yang kekal? 5 kat sini asalnya positif kan? 5 is positive. Ni dah salah kat sini. Ni sudah salah. Okay. Because you must remember, term yang pindah itu yang akan bertukar tanda. Negative or positive, divide or minus. Divide or multiply. Okay, yang ni betul. Negative 2x, you dah daripada kiri bawa ke kanan. Jadi negative 2x. And then here, 5. Alright, so the answer should be sini 2x. 2x betul. 5 ada kat situ. 5 is positive. Positive 5. Okay. Yang pindah siapa?
11.
11 pindah. So jadi apa?
Negative 11.
Negative 11. So 5 minus 11 equals to 2x. So 5 minus 11 is negative
6.
6 equals to 2x. Okay, ni you boleh swap. 2x equals to negative 6. So x equals to, yang ni betul pula. Tapi ni salah juga. 2x equals to negative 6. X equals to negative
3.
Negative 6 divide 2. Siapa nama ni? Fatin kan? So Fatin, the way you arrange tu dah macam tak berapa tepat lah. Walaupun sini you dapat betul and then sini you dapat salah balik. Okay, that's number 9. Orang lain yang buat kesalahan yang sama pun observe lah. Kalau salah just bulatkan and then just write the correction on the side near the wrong one. Okay, now 3. The question is 3x plus 4 equals to negative. Okay. Martin, are you here?
Yes.
Macam mana Fatin buat ni Can you explain what's on your mind? Kenapa why 3x you bring to the right? 3x you bring to the right side, kan? 4 remain belah kiri, betul kan? And then here is negative 14 you bring to the left. These two things, 3x and 3x, negative 14 and negative 14. Nampak tak kesilapan kamu? So in order to avoid making to avoid of confusion, To avoid getting confused, you must do one by one. Don't jumble up. Okay. So which term you move, that term will have to change the sign. So you have moved this. Kalau you nak move ke sini, sini patut jadi negatif lah. Sini patut jadi plus lah. Tapi jadi negatif. Pening kepala pula lagi. So kalau macam ni, actually jadi besar ya. 18 equals to negative 13, negative 3x. And then you swap balik 3 negative, bila you then kalau you nak tukar pun jadi negatif bawa ke kiri, negatif 3x bawa ke kiri balik jadi 3x balik. 18 bawa ke kanan jadi negatif 18. So x equals to, yang ni betul. Yang atas tu agak mengelirukan ya. Okay, so x equals to berapa?
Negative 18 divide 3.
Yes, negative 18 divide 3. Ya, jadi jawapan dia x equals to negative 6. Okay, number 10. Number 11 kan? Husna punya number 10, tengok ya. Compare dengan yang Fatim ni tadi. So Husna remain the 3x on the left side, but she brings the plus 4 to the left side. Okay, betul. This is more systematic. Okay. Okay, number 11. She brings the 2 to the right side. Jadi negative 13 minus 2. And then therefore negative 3x equals to 15. Betul, negative 15. And then negative 15, tak jelas ni, negative 15 divide negative 3. Okay, sebab kat sini negative 3 multiply x. So negative 3 you bring to the left, to the right side, jadi divide. Okay. Jadi negative divide negative is positive. Okay, very good. Number 12. Okay, number 12. Berapa jelas ni, nampak ke? Okay, 5m minus 2 equals to negative 27. So 5m equals to negative 27. So Husna brings the negative 2 to the right side. So it becomes plus 2. Minus 2, transfer to the right side, it becomes plus 2. Jadi we have 5m equals to negative 25. And then m equals to, this one, 5 times m. Jadi bila pindah ke kiri, ke kanan, negative 25 divide 5. Okay, multiply, pindah ke kiri, pindah ke kanan jadi divide. So negative 25 divide 5 is negative 5. Okay, good. Okay, 3.12. Okay, tengok orang lain pula, number 13. Number berapa tadi Number 13 kan? Cepat juga kita bincang ni. Alright. 7A yang tadi ni. Okay, ni betul lah macam ni ya. Bagi jawapan equals to 0. Okay, number 14. 2x. Okay, this one 4 kekal, 4 minus 6. Okay, betul. And then 4 minus 6 is negative 2. Here. 2 kat sini dah tak ada sebab negative 2 dah divide kat sini. Dia ada negative 2 divide 2 equals to negative 1. Okay, correct. Okay, number 15. 6r plus 7 equals to 13 plus 7R. So now you have variable on both sides. Belah kanan ada, belah kiri pun ada R. So first thing you must do is group the like terms on the left side. So 6R is originally on the left side, so dia kekal tanda dia 6R. Plus 7R you move to the left. So tanda dia kena tukar jadi minus. Sini plus pindah jadi minus. Minus 7R equals to 13 pun kekal because dia memang asal di sebelah kanan. Dia kekal tanda dia 13. And then plus 7 kat sini pindah ke kanan becomes minus 7. 13 minus 7. So 13 minus 7 is 6. 6R minus 7R is negative 1R or negative R. So you divide or you multiply negative 1. Sini jadi positive. So you multiply also negative 1 here becomes negative 6. Okay, correct. Everything's correct. Okay. This is number 15. Okay, number 16. We have 13 minus 4p. 13 minus 4p equals to 1 minus p. So p ada kat sini on the right side and on the left side. So sini kekal on the left side minus 4p ni kekal, dia tengok minus 4p. Kemudian belah kanan ada minus p. So she brings to the left jadi positive p. Nampak? Okay, bagus ya. And then sini belah kanan asalnya ada 1. So 1 kekal belah sini. Tanda dia tak tukar. And then here you have positive 13. You bring to the right side, dia jadi minus 13. So 1 minus 13 is negative 12. On the left side, you have p 1p minus 4p is negative 3p equals to negative 12. Okay, so apa ni? Okay, sini betul. Ini betul. So sini sudah silap tulis ke apa? Okay, kekalkan negative 3p on the left side equals to negative 12. So p equals to negative 12 divide negative 3. Okay, so p equals to negative divide negative is positive. 12 divide 3 is 4. P equals to 4. Ini silap tulis kot ya. Be careful lah ni. Salah. Okay, number 17. This is. Okay, let's see number 17. Senyap je kan cikgu cakap seorang hari ni. Okay, tak apa. Now, negative 7x minus 3x plus 2 equals to negative 8x minus 8. Okay, ada berapa terms x?
3.
3. 2, 3. So you are going to group them. So yang belah kiri kekal. Negative 7x minus 3x kekal. And then here is negative 8x. So you bring to the left. Dia tanda dia kena tukar. Okay, ni betul. And then belah sini memang asalnya ada minus 8. So minus 8 ni betul lah. Ini betul, minus 8. Tapi yang salahnya apa? Sepatutnya apa?
Negative 2.
Negative
2.
Sepatutnya negative 2 minus 8. Okay. So we get here negative 2x kan. Negative 7 minus 3 is negative 10 plus 8 is negative 2x. Okay, betul. So negative 2x equals to Negative
-10.
10. So x equals to negative 10
Divide -2.
divide negative 2 equals to
-5.
5. Okay, nampak ya? Okay, 18. N plus 2 equals to negative 14 minus n. Okay, so she groups the n here, bawa ke kiri. N letak belah kiri. The variable is always been placed on the left side. Okay, 2 ni jadi minus 2. Okay, betul. Minus n ni jadi plus n. Okay, correct. So here is 2n. Here on the right side, it becomes negative 16. And then you get your n equals to negative 16 divide positive 2 is negative 8. Okay, correct. Okay, bagus. Alright, you have negative 8 minus m equals to m minus 4m. So sini minus m kekal, sini minus m, and then she minus m from here. Ini bawa ke sini jadi minus m. For negative atau minus 4m here, bring to the left jadi plus 4m. Okay, correct. Here you have negative 8. You bring to the right, it becomes positive 8. Okay, correct. Everything is correct. So this one becomes negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. Negative 2 plus 4 is 2m. Okay, correct. So m is 8 divide 2 is 4. Okay, correct. Good. Dah nak habis kita bincang. Sekejap je. Nanti cikgu akan bagi fraction pula.
20. I think it's 20.
Oh, 20 belum. Okay. Alright, number 20. We have 2p minus 3 plus p equals 5 plus p. Okay. So 2p, now she rearranges 2p plus p kat sini. And then here plus p bawa ke kiri. Jadi minus p. Okay, correct. And then, okay, ni dah silap ni. Okay, ni sudah salah. Okay, asalnya you have 5p, right? Sorry, you have 5. Originally, you have 5 there. And then over here, you have minus 3. So 5 remain on the right side. So the sign doesn't change. We just bring the negative 3 to the right side. It should become 5 plus 3. Okay, so sini 2p ni betul. So 2p equals to 8. Alright. So p equals to 8 divide 2 is 4. Okay. Any question?
No.
Alright,
No.
number 20, 21. Wow. Can you see, class?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
I got mixed up ni. Okay, never mind. So negative 8n plus 4 bracket 1 plus 5n equals to negative 6n minus 14. First of all, you should expand this bracket. Okay. Ni ada bracket kan? So you kena kembangkan or expand the bracket. Or you can say open bracket. Okay, yang negatif 8n ni tak usik. 4 times 1, 4 times 5. So, belum. Apa yang kurang ni? Apa yang kurang, kelas?
N.
And
variable.
Sepatutnya?
20N.
Ya, sepatutnya 20n ya. Plus 20n. Okay. equals to, on the right side tak usik apa-apa. And then we group jadi 12 ni macam mana? Ni dah betul 12 ni. 12, okay? So actually negative 8 dengan 20n ni campurkan jadi 12n. And then plus 4. This one tak usik lagi. Lepas tu baru dia groupkan minus 4n bawa ke sini jadi plus 4n, sorry 6. Negative 6n bawa sini jadi plus 6n. Okay, kalau boleh you can just add once. Bila you pindah tu, you boleh pindah everything yang variable masuk kiri, yang no variable you masuk terus ke kanan. Satu baris lah. Buat satu baris boleh. Kalau tidak ada banyak baris lah macam ni. Tapi it's okay. Ni permulaan baru belajar, tak apa. Okay, ni betul. Okay, ini pun betul. Ini plus 4 jadi bring to the right side jadi minus 4. Okay, correct. It's correct. So n equals to negative 18 divide 18 is negative 1. Okay, correct. Yeah. Good. Number 26. Okay. Bayangnya. Okay, Darin buat. Betul tak Darin buat ni? Tengok. Yang number 21 tadi. 22. Negative 6p minus 20 equals to negative 2p plus 4 bracket 1 minus 3p. So you have bracket here. Open bracket first. So 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times negative 3p is negative 12p. Okay, correct. Opening bracket, correct. And then you should group the like terms. Mana dia? Belum ada grouping tapi they just simplify negative 2p dengan minus 12p jadi negative 14p. Okay. So step ni, okay boleh. And then, okay now she groups the like term. Okay. So sini, okay betul lah. Sini kan negative 14p. Bawa ke kiri jadi plus 14p. Sini originally you have plus 4 kan. So tanda dia tak ubah lah. It's still positive lah. So but here you have on the left side you have minus 20. Minus 20 you bring to the right side. It becomes plus 20. So correct. So 24 equals to 8p. So p equals to 24 divide 8, you get 3. Okay, correct. 3. Izzati, number 21 awak tu. Number 23, 4y minus 40 equals to 7 multiply negative 2y plus 2. So here, okay, kekal. On the right side, you open bracket, becomes negative 14y plus 14. Okay, correct. And then she groups the like term. So 4y ni minus, bawa sini jadi plus 14y. Okay, correct. And then 14 kat sini kekal positif kan, asal daripada sini 14. Sini 14 kekal positif. But negative 40 here, you bring to the right side, it becomes plus 40. So correct. 18y equals to 54, and then she, okay, here she uses equality concept. Okay, yang atas tu she uses backtracking, but here she uses different method. Tak apa, mix boleh. You divide 18 both sides, you get y equals to 3. Okay, correct. Next, number 24. Right, number 24, Hani punya. So you have bracket, open bracket, betul tak? 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times minus negative 4 is minus 28. Yes, correct. Okay, correct. And then she groups the like term. Okay, no, she hasn't. Dia simplify ni dulu. Okay, belum group lagi. This one, she groups the like term. Minus 8a, bring to the left, becomes plus 8a. And then minus 29, you bring to the right, becomes plus 29. Okay, correct. And then now 35 plus 8 is 43. Sama dengan 43 also. Okay, let's divide. You get a equals to 1. Okay, good. 3 bracket 1 minus 3h equals to bracket lagi. Okay, so open bracket. Kejap. Okay, open bracket. Okay, correct. And then on the right side, open bracket, correct. Okay, then she grouped the like terms. Okay. Okay. The way she writes can be a little bit confusing. Kenapa? Dia tukar tanda semua. H asal 9H originally is on the left side. But she changes the sign. Okay, for some students it will be confusing ni. Okay, sepatutnya tulis macam mana? Okay, so she has 3 minus 9h equals to negative 8h plus 14. Now, she wants to make it positive. Tapi tiba-tiba kat sini asalnya minus 9h. Suddenly it becomes positive kan? Macam tak kena lah. But actually what she did was like this. 3 minus 14. Okay. Plus 14 she brings to the left. Equals to negative 8h remain on the right side. Oops, sorry. Remain on the right side. Lepas tu minus 9h ni bawa ke kanan. Minus 9h. Sorry, minus lah. Betul tak? Betul ke salah? Cikgu buat tu.
Betul.
Salah.
Salah.
Ni minus 9 jadi plus lah sini. Kan minus 9 ni bawa sini jadi plus lah. Okay, plus. Macam tu. So 3 minus 13 is, 3 minus 14 is 11.
Negatif lah.
Negative 11. H, ni negative 8 plus 9 jadi 9 minus H. So 1H lah. H. So H equals to negative 11. Yang kasih buat ni salah ni, betul. Ya, betul. Cuma kalau bagi kawan-kawan yang baru belajar, dia akan keliru lah ni. Sebab dia tak ikut proses, ada dia skip proses. Dia terus pindah-pindah macam tu. Tak salah, cuma for some of you will be confusing. Because the steps are like this. Steps macam ni. Okay, number 26. Alright, let us see how she did this. Okay, ada bracket, 2 brackets. So, she opens it, expand it. Okay, correct. Then, okay, apa yang silap kat sini? Ada kesilapan. Anybody can point out the mistake?
Plus 3.
Yeah, it should be plus 3 here. Because this one. Minus 3 multiply negative 3. Negative 1. So it becomes plus 3. Okay, so yang belah kanan ni. Okay, yang ni dia tak perlu salin balik tau. You don't have to copy down everything. you can simplify dah kat sini. So 6 minus 5 is x. Kan? So x plus 7 macam ni. X plus 7 terus straight away. So on the left side, 8 minus 3 is 5. Okay, betul. Yang ni betul pula. Minus 24 plus 3. Negative 24 or minus 24 plus 3 equals to negative 21. Maksudnya betul. Yang atas sana. Okay. Alright, so lepas tu this line she groups the like term. So sini plus x bawa sini jadi minus x. Okay, so 5 minus 1. 5x minus x. Sini minus 21 jadi positive 21 on the right side. Plus 7 ni kekal lah. Positive because memang dia belah kanan, dia tak pergi mana-mana. So dia kekal positive or plus 7. Okay, correct? So we get 4x equals to 28 and x equals to 28 divide 4 is 7. Okay, class. So dah habis bahagian yang mudah ni. Bahagian yang mudah ni. Now we go to this one, kena pergi screen yang lain. Have you all did you able to mark the answers?
Yes.
Yes.
I hope all of you get the answers and manage to do the correction. Okay, now we are I'm going to give you a more linear equation that involve fractional linear equation.